Hi everyone, let's check if an array is a palindrome or not. First, let's understand what a palindrome is. A palindrome is something that reads the same forward and backward. For example, my array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. If I read it forward or backward, the numbers are same. Now take another array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a palindrome. Let's check how we can solve it. This is my array. Here 1 matches with 1, 2 matches with 2, 3 with 3, 4 with 4 and 5 with itself. And yes, this is a palindrome. I'll use the two pointer methods to solve this, left pointer and right pointer. I'll check if the number at the left pointer is same as the number at the right pointer. So my left pointer is on number 1 and the right pointer is also on number 1. Both are matching. I'll increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer as long as the numbers are matching. 2 is matching with 2, 3 is matching with 3, 4 with 4, 5 with 5. Now technically I should stop. And if I don't stop, the left pointer will move to 4 and the right pointer will move to 4. And these two are matching, but we don't need to check that because we already know it's palindrome. So we need a condition, a break condition. Continue looping while left is less than right pointer. Once that condition fails, we stop. The time complexity of the solution is O of n and the space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. Now let's see the code. In the function, I have created two pointers. Assign left to 0 and right to array's length minus 1. We do minus 1 because index starts from 0. Then I have added a condition. Left should be less than right, and anywhere if I find left number is not matching with right number, I break the loop and return false, which means array is not palindrome. If they match, I continue increasing left and decreasing right till left is less than right condition is no longer true. So let me run the code. My first case is palindrome and second one is not. I run this and yes, we got expected answers. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and watch the entire DSC series. Bye bye.